baby, I know, baby, I know. I'ma do you dirty. Say you love me now. Baby, if you were.
What's up, guys? Today I'll be sharing with you everything that's in my back to school emergency kit. These are like things that I need, but like don't need them on like a daily basis, if that makes sense. But like if there's emergency, I'm gonna reach into this bag, you know? I'll be doing another video of my back to school essentials and my back to school favorites and all that stuff. So this doesn't have everything, but these are like emergency things and not like your headphones or your hoodie, you know? So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So the first thing I have is a pack of gum because, guys, I literally go through gum like water. Like, it's crazy how much gum I chew throughout the day because I always need to be doing something. Next up is perfume. My favorite perfume right now is the Victoria's Secret Tease perfume. I've literally had this for like over 2 years, guys, and look, there's like still so much left of it, so this will literally last you the entire school year. Next is money. Honestly, I have this little Kate Spade thing. Honestly, you can keep your stuff in a Ziploc bag, but I just bought this and I want to share it with you guys. But basically, you can put your like credit cards in here, and then in here you can put money or coins. I always need quarters on me, and then if you forgot your wallet one day, I just have $20 in here, just in case I like were to forget my wallet, or you never know. You might need to pay for like a homecoming ticket or something. So I always have money in here, and I just keep it in here because I feel like that's the best way to keep it. Quarters are also super important because I go to the vending machine all the freaking time and they never accept my dollars because my dollars are always super wrinkly. It's just a struggle, okay? Next is hairspray because, guys, I literally have the worst flyaways ever. Like, ever try to put water on your flyaways and then it just like gets 1,000 times worse because mood. If you have a smaller bag and don't want to carry around a whole big bottle of like body mist, you can also use a roller ball. I just get mine from like TJ Maxx or Marshalls. And guys, I have Taylor Swift Wonderstruck right here. They're like 10 bucks there. Next is a hairbrush because, guys, I have the longest hair ever, literally, and it gets so tangly. Like putting my backpack on and taking my backpack off, my hair is literally all over the place. So a hairbrush is amazing. I got this one from Walmart. This is like a mini one. If you guys can tell, it's not like a full size. It's just so much easier to carry. Next is pads and tampons because you never know. Your period might creep up on you and you're like, oh shit, or your friends, so it's always good to have these on you. Next is oil blotting sheets if you're in gym or if it's just a really hot day and they don't have the AC on. Does school ever have the AC on? That's the question, because it's literally so hot in there. I just have these ones from Tarte. I've had them forever. You just take a sheet out and then you just blot your face from all the oils and then you put your powder on. You could also use like Kleenex or paper towel. That's what I do also, but like make sure it's like super gentle, because if you skip that step of taking the oils off, it's going to come back like faster, if that makes sense. If you're like me and wear fake lashes every day, you're gonna need this duo eyelash glue because, girl, that eyelash might be looking wonky one day, or it might come off, or someone might rip it off you. I don't know why they would, but you never know. Next is a mascara. This one's my favorite personally. It's the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Waterproof. It's the only one that makes my lashes actually stay up and stay curled, and you can actually see my lashes. It makes like the biggest difference. Next is lotion because you never know. You wearing a dress, a skirt, you feeling ashy, you need some lotion. So I just have this one. Any lotion works, but this is the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. This is like a fancy lotion, but you can get like ones from like Victoria's Secret or like Aveeno, doesn't matter. Next up is hand sanitizer because, guys, I swear this soap and the water at school just make me feel like 10 times dirtier. This one's from Bath & Body Works and I got it actually from Halloween last year, and it's vampire blood. I literally only use this one because, can you guys see how red it is? Oh my gosh, it's my favorite and it smells so good. Oh, it just reminds me of Halloween, and Halloween's literally my favorite thing in this entire world. Next up is hair ties because, girl, you never know. If you have gym class or whatever, I always forget hairbands. Lastly is chapstick because my lips are always so chapped and dry during the winter or allergy season. I can also put this on my nose if I'm blowing my nose like crazy, so chapstick is really bomb also. So that is everything I keep in my emergency bag. I got this at Sephora as a gift for my 18th birthday. If you want to see that haul, I'll link it down below. But it actually just came with like a bunch of like dry shampoos and hair products in here. So that's where this bag is from if you're curious. I know it is so pretty, and I don't know, I could stare at it all day because it's that pretty. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to drop a like on it, subscribe down below, and also make sure to enter my back to school giveaway. Don't worry guys, if you don't win that one, I will have a bunch of giveaways coming up in the next couple of months just for you guys. I hope you guys have a great back to school season, and I will see you guys in my next YouTube video. Bye guys! Mwah.